Welcome to this video from Santee Communications. This video is going to walk you through how you can apply for ACP, which stands for Affordable Connectivity Program, and what that is a program from the government to help low-income households pay for internet service and connected devices such as desktops, laptops, or tablets. The deadline for signing up for ACP is February 7th of 2024, so you'll want to go ahead and get started on this right away. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the website www.getinternet.gov. And once that page loads, you're going to see a button that says Apply. You're going to want to click on Apply. And the first step, you're going to want to fill in your home address where you were going to get internet. So you'll enter your street address, an apartment or a unit number if you have one, your city and town, next your state, and your zip code. And if you keep scrolling down on the page, underneath the address will be your contact information. Here you're going to enter in your email address and your phone number, if you have one. Once that information is in, you'll click on the Next button. In order to speed up the process, they do ask you to enter in the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. So on this screen, you will want to click on Yes, use the last 4 digits of my Social Security number. If you do not have that, there is another alternative option that says, no, I want to provide an official document like a driver's license, tax identification, passport, or your tribal ID number. And you will go ahead and click Next. Since I had it marked yes for the last 4 of my social, it's asking me for the last 4 of my social. And you will click Next. The next screen will ask you for your name as it appears, in my case, my Social Security number. You'll fill in your first, middle, and last name, and below that will be your date of birth. You'll fill that in and press Next. On the next screen, it'll ask you, do you participate in Medicaid or the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, commonly known as SNAP? So you will click either yes or no here, depending on your circumstances, and you will hit Next. After you hit Next, it's going to pull up a summary of the information that you entered in. You will want to look that over. And once you're finished verifying that information, you will click on the button that says Check My Eligibility. Once you've submitted your application, you will need to wait for either an approval or a denial from the government. Upon approval, you will get a letter in the mail, and what you will want to do at that point is get that information over to Santee Communications. And to do that, what you'll do is you will send an email, and you're going to want to send that to santeewireless@gmail.com. And in the subject, you can put like ACP approval, so they know what that's going to be for. And in the body of your email, you're going to receive an approval ID on your letter, so you'll want to include that. Your first and last name, your address, city, state, and zip, the last 4 of your social that you used, or if you used your tribal ID, you'll want to include that, your birth date, your email, and your phone number. And that is all that you will need to do in order to get that information over to Santee Communications.